The Marine Energy Program at the U.S. Department of Energy's Water Power Technologies Office, or WPTO, supports research, development, and demonstration activities that advance the development of reliable, cost-competitive marine energy technologies, and that reduce barriers to their deployment. Marine energy resources are geographically diverse and can complement existing energy sources and technologies. Between current, wave, and ocean thermal technologies, estimates say that the national marine energy resource could generate what equates to 57% of the electricity generated by the U.S. in 2019. This could provide cost-effective energy for numerous applications in off-grid or remote coastal areas, playing a critical role in maximizing our nation's renewable energy portfolio. Marine energy is still very much a research sector. It's a new industry that is in the process of being built. Strides made over the past few years paint an exciting possibility of what's to come. For the last 10 years, the Ocean Renewable Power Corporation has been working with WPTO, the DOE Office of Indian Energy, the National Renewable Energy Laboratory, or NREL, and the remote community of Igiugig Village in southwestern Alaska to investigate how this community can access renewable power and reduce their reliance on diesel fuel without causing significant harm to salmon populations. This work can also hold benefits for more populous areas. In 2020, Verdant Power, with the support of WPTO, deployed 3 tidal power turbines with its new tri-frame mount in New York's East River. These turbines have broken U.S. marine energy generation records, generating 294.5 megawatt hours in 253 days, with a 36-hour turbine retrieve and replace operation. Marine energy has a unique potential to provide power in markets where finding reliable sources of energy is a major constraint. Launched in 2019, the Powering the Blue Economy initiative from WPTO has facilitated research that investigates the power requirements of emerging coastal and maritime markets. The goal is to eventually integrate marine renewable energy to relieve these power constraints and to enable sustainable growth of the blue economy. Renewable energy from oceans and rivers could provide many societal benefits. It could ultimately provide power to remote communities, serve in disaster relief scenarios, and improve our capacity to study the ocean and its inhabitants.
One of the things that we've been doing within the Water Power Technologies Office is as we try to mature these technologies that ultimately help serve our nation's grid, we believe that through our Powering the Blue Economy initiative, we can start to develop solutions that can be integrated into existing technologies out in the ocean and forge new pathways to markets that aren't even available to us right now.
Powering the Blue Economy presents multidisciplinary, complex challenges that WPTO can't solve on their own. With an eye toward diversity and inclusivity, WPTO offers many different funding avenues and partnership opportunities. Entrepreneurs, developers, academic teams, and nonprofit organizations are collaboratively tackling challenges, from conceptual design to business planning to open water testing. An example of how the office works to improve access to DOE support is the U.S. Testing Expertise and Access to Marine Energy Research Program, or TEMR. The TEMR program is designed to provide marine energy technology developers and researchers with access to U.S.-based test facilities and technical expertise. After an application and planning period, participants get to test their projects at facilities across the United States, report out their findings, and apply again for a chance to continue testing and developing their concepts. From programs to prizes, marine energy innovators have several different options to apply to work with WPTO. Examples of these opportunities include the Waves to Water and Ocean Observing Prizes, as well as the Marine Energy Collegiate Competition. Prize and competition competitors, as well as other research partners, produce results and data that can benefit other marine energy researchers. To support this important information exchange, WPTO developed the Portal and Repository for Information on Marine Renewable Energy, or PRIMER. This network of databases provides broad access to information on different technologies, resource characterization, device performance, and potential environmental effects of marine energy projects, allowing for more collaboration as we work toward the goal of reducing costs and improving performance of marine energy technologies. From partnerships to prizes and all that's in between, WPTO is working to advance marine energy's potential to serve the growing blue economy, meet decarbonization goals, and address the growing impacts of climate change.
The Water Power Technologies Office increasingly sees the role of the ocean in helping us better understand, protect, and preserve our growing planet.